Okay, good morning everyone. So to discuss about the common varieties present in the stone. So in your syllabus we given you four. One is granite, second one is marble, third one is Kadapa stone, Shahabad stones. Okay. So next coming to the first one, granite stones. So granite stones. So what is the properties of granite stones? So first one is it is a igneous rock. It is formed by the magma formation. So magma will be formed under the ground surface. So it is hard and durable. Its crushing strength is in between the 100 to 140 Newton per mm square. The color can be available. Granites are green, pink, black, and red. Next, porosity is less than 1%. Porosity nothing but wide ratio present in the granite. Next, fifth one, specific gravity between 2.63 to 2.65. Next, coming sixth one, dressing and polished. So the granite should be dressed, nothing but can be cut in particular shapes and particular size, and it is a polish in nature. So these are the properties. Sometimes see again the properties. It is igneous rocks. It is igneous rocks. It is formed by the magma. So it is hard and durable. It is hard and durable. Crushing strength is between the 100 to 140 Newton per mm square. Color can be available green, pink, black, and red. Porosity should be less than 1%. Specific gravity is 2.63 to 2.65. And last property is dressing and polished. So it is a smooth polishness. Next coming to the uses. So it is used in apartments, piers, and lighthouses foundation. It is used for the decoration purpose. It is used for flooring, steps, beams, columns. It is also used for aggregates. So it is granites also used in aggregates. So you can see the uses again one time. It is used in abutments, piers, lighthouse foundations. It is used for decoration purpose. It is used for flooring, steps, beams, columns. It is used in aggregates. So these two are abutments at the end position for the highway or a bridge. So you can take as a it is a highway, flyover nothing but flyover or a bridge. So at the end positions, the structure named as abutment. Okay, the end position, the structure name is abutment. In between the abutments, two abutments, so structures we call as piers. So in your language you call as a piles. Piles are columns. Okay, like that. Here we taking it is a piers. Okay, so this is the uses of granite. Next, coming to the marble. So coming to the marbles. So marbles having the property same that granite. So marble is most commonly used variety. So it is a coming under the metamorphic rock. So it contains more calcium carbonate. Okay, so marble is a most commonly used material variety. It is a metamorphic rock. It contains more calcium carbonate. It contains more calcium carbonate, and properties are crushing strength is in between 50 to 60 Newton per mm square. Specific gravity is in between 2.7 to 2.72. water absorption is 3%, it is less durable. So coming to the granite, it is a hard and durable. Coming to the marble, it is a less durable. This is the difference between granite and marbles. Okay. So next, it can be used in various purposes. It is widely used in face of walls. It is used for tables, staircases, columns, beams, window sills, etc. It is used for preparation of furniture such as benches, etc. So these are the uses of marble powder. Next, coming to the Kadapa slabs. Kadapa stones or Kadapa slabs. So these are highly polished stones. These are available in various colors as well as patterns. Nothing but sizes, shapes. Colors are green, lime pink, light blue. Okay, these are available in green, lime pink, light blue. So these are the properties. Next, coming to the properties, these are available in Andhra Pradesh, especially surrounding the Betamcharla, Khammam, Kadapa, etc. Specific gravity of Kadapa stone is 2 to 2.75. Compressive strength is 550 Newton per mm square. These stones are dressed easily. These are nice polish. Okay, these are the properties of Kadapa stones. So again one time repeating. These are available Andhra Pradesh, especially Betamcharla, Khammam. Hello, please mute your voice. Hello, please mute your voice. Hello, 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 stop your voice. So properties again one time. These are available in Andhra Pradesh, especially Betamcharla, Kambam, Kadapa, etc. Specific gravity is 2 to 2.75. Compressed strength 550 Newton per mm square. These stones are dressed easily. These are nice polish. Next, coming to the uses. These stones are polished and used for flooring. It is used for roofing material also. These slabs are used for steps, working platforms, sinks, etc. So these are the uses of Kadapa stones. Next, coming to the Shahabaz stones. So these are the Shahabaz stones. So Shahabaz rough and can be made polished by using machine. It is classified in two types: rough Shahabad, polished Shahabad. Okay, these are the two types available in the market. So these are available in dark color like grayish, black, dull white. These stones are strong and mainly used for flooring, parking, godowns, etc. Okay, these are the Shahabaz stones. So again one time I am repeating for coming to the granite. So granite is a igneous rock. It comes under the igneous rock, and this granite stone has formed by the magma formation, and properties of the granite stone is hard and durable. Crushing strength is 100 to 140 Newton per mm square. Color can be available. The granite colors of gray, pink, and red. Gray, pink, and red. Porosity is less than 1%. Specific gravity between 2.60 to 2.65. Dressing and it is polished. So these are the properties of granite. Next, coming to the uses. So these are used in abutments. So these two are abutments. The remaining is piers. So piers, lighthouse foundations, etc. It is used for decoration purpose. It is used for flooring, beams, columns, steps. It is also used for aggregates. Next, coming to the marbles. So marbles is a most commonly used material or variety. It is come under the metamorphic rock. It contains more calcium carbonate. So it is also called as a argillaceous rock. Crushing strength is 50 to 60 Newton per mm square. Specific gravity 2.7 to 2.72. Water absorption is 3%. It is less durable. Next, coming to the uses, it is widely used for face-off walls. It is used for staircases, columns, beams, window sills, etc. It is used for preparation of furniture such as tables, benches, etc. Kadapa, next coming to the Kadapa slab stones, these are highly polished stones. It will be available in different colors and different patterns. So colors are green, lime pink, light blue, etc. So these properties are specific gravity is 2 to 2.75. These are available around the Andhra Pradesh like Bedamcharla, Kadapa, Khammam, etc. So these stones are dressed easily. Compressive strength is 550 Newton per mm square. These are nice polish. Coming to the uses, these stones are polished and used for flooring. So it is used for roofing material also. These slabs are used for steps, working platforms, sinks, etc. So these are the uses of Kadapa stones. Next, coming to the Shahabad stones. So Shahabad stones are rough and can be made by polished by using machine. These are classified into two types. One is rough Shahabad stones. Second one is polished Shahabad stones. Coming to the color, it is available in dark colors like dull white, grayish, black, etc. These are strong and mainly used for flooring, parking, godowns, etc. So these are the different varieties present in the stones. Next, coming to the dressing of stone. Okay. Next, coming to the dressing of stone. So what is the dressing of stone? So dressing of stone is a method by which freshly quarried stones are cut into suitable size and shape. Suitable size and shape. Dressing of stones. So you can see the dressing of stones. So dressing of stones, nothing but it is a method by which freshly quarried stones are cut into suitable size and shapes. Those we call as a dressing of stone. Okay, stone be available naturally, but it don't have different shape. Nothing but it can be coming under the irregular shape. Available in irregular shape, so that it can be modified by using machine. You can cut different shapes and you can different size, okay, for our convenient. So those process we called as a dressing of stone. So what is the necessity of dressing of stone? So rough stones are obtained from a quarry with irregular shape and irregular size. So the dressing of stone is done at the quarries. The quarried dressed stones are economical when compared to the remaining ones. Okay, artificial stones also are there, and dressing blocks result in further economical in transportation as well as handling cost. Okay, transportation time also it is very strong when compared to the remaining ones. Next, final dressing operation should be done at construction. So stones coming from the quarries to this site, construction site, some operations will be done. At the quarries, it will be available in irregular shape. So there is missions using by using missions you can cut in particular shapes. they send in, but at site purpose it is again be divided into number of sizes, nothing but size. uh, from quarries we got a 2 into 2 meters size, but in site we want site we want 1.5 into 2 meter. So at that time we can cut into different shape, required shape. So this is also called as a dressing. This is also called a dressing. So this is the dressing user necessity and dressing. So next class we can study about the purpose of dressing, why we are using dressed stones. So purpose of dressing. So we can study the next class purpose of dressing.
Hello.
Purpose of dressing.
Hello.
Okay. So dressing of stones. So first you can, what is the dressing of stone? So dressing of stone nothing but freshly quarried materials. So quarries we got a stones. The stones have irregular shapes. So we can cut into suitable size and shapes. So that process we call as a dressing of stone. What is the necessity of stones for dressing? So rough stones are available in quarries. So they don't have a particular shape and size. At that time, we can cut into particular size and shape. Nothing but uniform size, uniform shape. So that can be economical for transportation. Okay. So when coming to the site purpose, stone can be changed the shape. So that is the final dressing operation. We call it as a final dressing operation. So final dressing operation should be done at site with help of dressing tools, nothing but machine. Dressing tools depends upon the accuracy in size and shape, degree of surface finish. Okay, so these are the necessities of dressing of stones. Okay, today we discussed about varieties of stones. So in your syllabus point of view, we have four types of varieties. One is granite, second one is marble, third one is the granite. So what is a granite? So what are the properties of granite stones? So what are the uses where you have used the granite stones are stated clearly. If you have any doubt, please post your doubt in WhatsApp as well as in Zoom app chat. Okay. After completion the unit, I can give material to you through soft copy. If your college opens, I will provide the Xerox also. So I will post the video also in your WhatsApp group. So that